My name's Dave Bobbitt, and I'm an ACT prep specialist. I get asked the question a lot, how do we get a better score on our ACT? We're very close, but we need a few more points. It's a tough question to answer because there's many ways to increase your ACT score. I want to talk specifically today about what Awesome Scores does. We take 6 hours worth of webinars and increase your ACT score online live. So we'll talk about what the ACT is, what it's not, how to prepare for it mentally, physically, those kind of questions. And then we take each subject individually and break them down and talk about test taking strategies and what you might expect. But really what we're focusing on is to remind you of things that you should know already, but it's probably been since the 7th or 8th grade since you've been exposed to some of these things. So for $99, what you get is you get a 2-day period where we do 3 2-hour webinars, so a total of 6 hours of ACT prep. And if you want to do that on a recorded version where it's not live, that's $49. But if you use the live version where it's live and interactive, it's $99. Every single student that takes the ACT needs a refresher course because we can always get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 points better just by reminding you of things that you really need to know. As far as ACT prep goes, this is an absolute no-brainer. We do it the weekend before the test, and it's very inexpensive, and every student needs it. Check it out at awesomescores.com and see what you think.